What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can play with friends in Brawl Stars. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do it. Okay, so first, go ahead and open up your Brawl Star game on your device. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is tap on friends icon on the right side of your screen. And from here, you will have a few options to invite your friends. So first one, you can share invite. If you tap on this one, it is going to generate a link and you can copy this link to your social media platform such as Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok or X. And you can ask your friends to click that link to join you in Brawl Stars. Also, you also have your QR. So if you tap on my QR, it is going to show your QR and you can ask your friend to scan this QR and they are going to be automatically added to your list. Another way to play with friends is to add them using their Supercell ID. So to do that, just tap on add friends in here and tap on add with player ID. So you need to ask your friends for their ID and you should be able to enter it in this text box. After that, just tap on add friend and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.